Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing great. In the last section, we talked about how to find the best Shopify theme for your website. Now, in this tutorial, we're going to talk about the keyword research for your SEO. Keyword research is the single most important thing to get the best SEO for your website. If you are not using the right keywords for your SEO, you can spend like millions of dollars on your SEO, but you won't get the results. So it is really important to get the right keywords for your SEO campaign. And there's a reason behind it. So first of all, let's understand how the Google search algorithm works. The way Google search works is that it looks for the quality of the content, quality of the website, and the trust score of your website as well as the pages. The way Google decides the trust score is by looking at the external websites and social platforms signaling to your website and your pages. So if there is any external website which has a link to your website, it will um, it will be included as a domain authority and the page authority. Okay, so in short, they are called DA and PA. And these are the signals Google and other search engines use to determine how trustworthy your website is. With that said, the natural conclusion is that the search engines are not in favor of the new websites. Okay, that's the hard truth that you should accept right away. I will not tell you lie and tell you that this is the method to get millions of traffic right away. Okay, it's not how it works. The new website must have the right strategy to compete with the website that have a lot of DA and PA score and have a lot of content and are ranked better than you. So we have to find the best keywords to plan that strategy. And that's what we're going to do today. We are going to learn how to find the best keywords for our SEO. Now, first, let's talk about the tools that you are going to need. What I recommend personally is getting the SEMRush. Okay, this is my go-to keyword research tool, and this is the best in the business. There are lots of other platforms which gives you data about keyword research, the monthly search volume, as well as the competition. But most of the data I have seen online are wrong. Um, Only the SEMrush is the platform where I found the most accurate data. So if you ask me if you have like $150 and you want to spend it on SEO, and if you ask me whether you should hire me or get the SEMrush, I will definitely recommend getting SEMrush. Okay, it's that good. I'm willing to give away my own clients if they want to purchase SEMrush. So you should definitely get this tool, even for a month. You don't have to get like an yearly subscription. You can get your work done for a single month subscription. So let me show you how to find the best keywords for your SEO for your Shopify store. Now, most people use the Shopify for e-commerce websites. So we are going to focus on the e-commerce side of the SEO for this entire course. So let's look at the keyword research for e-commerce and let's focus on an imaginary brand that sells clothes in the United States. So let's say it's a drop shipping or a print on demand store that sells clothes in the United States. So, how do we find the best keyword for such a store? So, the first thing you should do is go to the country's Google domain. Okay. So, Google has different domain for different countries. For United States, it has a different subdomain. For India, it has Google.in. So, right now, I have searched the Google US and it has given me this um, search bar right here. Now I can go here and search for clothes online. Okay, so these are the search queries for United States. If I search the same thing in India, it will give me a totally different response. Okay, so this is one of the things about Google. It shows different search results for different demographic, different countries, different languages. So you have to make sure that you are searching for the right keywords on the right demographic. Now, we have found a few websites here, and you have to find one of them. Okay, so let's go with this one and copy its link. Okay, so this is the clothing store. Now, what you should do here is go to Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so you have to make an account on Google Ads, absolutely free, and you have to go to Google Keyword Planner, again, absolutely free. Now, what we're going to do here is go to Discover New Keywords and go to Start with a Website. And here you have to choose the country that you are targeting. So if you are selling from Germany, let's say, you have to set the country Germany. And if you are selling in the United States and United Kingdom, you have to add both countries here. Okay, so hit save, paste your domain, and use entire website. Okay, and you can also choose only this page. So if you have certain blog that you want to target, like all the keywords in a blog, you can use the only page that you want to target the keywords for. So use the entire site and hit get results. Now, what Google Keyword Planner does here is that it gets the data for most searched keywords and all the keywords available for the website or web page. All right, so you have the average monthly searches, you have the competition, and other parameters. Now, this data here is not for SEO. Okay, this data is for Google Ads. So if you are running any Google Ads or YouTube ads, this is the data that you will use at that time. What we are interested in is the keywords. Okay, we are trying to find the keywords that are related to our SEO. So for example, we have all these keywords here. So you can find the keywords that you want to target as well. And it is a really good method to find new keywords. Okay, so if you are struggling to find what people are searching for on Google, then you can always go to this Google Keyword Planner, put your domain, and get all the keywords. And from here on, you can define the keywords. Okay, so you can find the keywords from here. After that, you have to select the keywords that you find interesting here, and then come to the SEMRush. As I said before, these keywords are not for SEO. These keywords are for purpose of finding new keywords. All right. The keyword research, the main keyword research for SEO will be done here. So how do we do that? You have to first go to the keyword magic tool, which is right here. I'm using the free version right now, so it won't give me too much data. So go to the keyword magic tool, select your country, United States or United Kingdom. Each country will have different data. Okay, this is the broad keyword that I'm targeting. This is the seed keyword. Now I get a bunch of keywords here. Now let's understand the data. What's happening here? The thing we are interested in is the keyword difficulty. It shows how difficult it is for a website to rank for these keywords. Okay, so if you are targeting, let's say, clothes, your website will have to do a lot of work to rank on that keyword because it has high difficulty score. The same goes for all these keywords: clothing store, express clothing, and all these keywords. It is really hard to rank for these keywords, especially for the new website. If you have like a lot of domain authority or page authority score, you can rank for these keywords, but not right now, not when your website is brand new. So what we're going to do is go here in the keyword difficulty and search very easy. Let's also change the intent to commercial, apply. So it will only show you the keywords which has e-commerce intent. So you can see them here. Okay, so if you have any brand or service, you can go with this keyword, or you can go with the transactional. So I will select both of them. These are the keywords which have potential selling score. So I'm going to select these two intent, and then I will hit very easy. Now you have the data here, and these keywords has a very low keyword difficulty, which means that new websites has a bigger chance, large probability to rank for these keywords. And you should use these keywords for your website for now. Okay, when you have more DA and PS score in future, you can go for the keywords that has higher keyword difficulty. But for now, you have to compromise the volume for keyword difficulty. So there are a few keywords that you cannot use, like this one. Exclude the adult ideas, but you will get some product ideas as well. For example, clothespin. This is a really good keyword. So in United States, 8,100 people per month search for this keyword. So these people are searching for clothespin and they want to buy it. So what you can do is you can use this keyword in your website. So select this, okay? And similarly, you can also select this one. All right, so these two keywords. Now let's filter this. So we have some more keywords here. Let's also increase the volume. Um, okay, now we have some more good keywords here. So these are all the keywords that you can use if they are related to your brand, your website. You can choose these keywords and select them and then export the keywords. All right, so right now it won't let me select it, but if you have a premium plan, or you can simply just copy them and get it a new Excel sheet. But you can find the best keywords here for your SEO. So find the best keywords, spend some time, and research different niche, different broad keywords, and find the best keyword that suits your brand and has the least keyword difficulty and highest search volume, as well as has the intent of commercial and transactional. So this is how you select the keywords. Also, if you are running, let's say, a blog website, you can also get the informational keywords. Like if someone is searching for best Adidas t-shirts, let's say, you can use this intent and then use your blog or anything you are running to get affiliate benefits. But yeah, this is how you do the keyword research, and you can use them in your Shopify store. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. In the next video, we will start the actual on-page SEO.